Derek. Slow. Hold up. It's gonna be close. You want to protect your wings, right? Back up like 3 feet. We'll just turn you. Straighten out and back up. All right, now cut. You're gonna climb this big rock. Straighten out.
It's even better.
There you go. A little more, passenger. Okay, right there. Now cut. You want to climb this ridge. Whoa!
Are you in low range?
I'm in neutral now.
Yeah, you better put it in four-wheel drive.
Oh, it is.
Don't cut yet. There you go, just like that. Passenger a hair. Yeah. Straighten out. Climbing. You're gonna drop.
Beep.
You didn't need that part. Hold up, hold up. If you're gonna go this way, there's a huge rock. Okay. You can either cut it this way or you can go that way.
Take your pick.
Doesn't matter to me. Come this way if you're already turned. Climb it. Come to me. There you go.
Ta-da!
Did I hit the wing?
I think hit you much less. No, that was
You hit the wing. It came down on the wing